This is the 5 essential tips to hiking. First tip, pack the essentials. Second tip, make sure to wear the right footwear. Third tip, check the weather. Fourth tip, tell someone where you are going to be.
Hello?
Hey, Mom, I just wanted to let you know in case anything happens, I'm going on a hike. Mom? Hello? Hello? The fifth tip, which is the last and final tip, make sure to familiarize yourself with the trail that you will be going on. And also, choose a trail that is right for you and pace yourself.